Good morning students. How are you? I hope you all are well and you all are doing the homeworks regularly. Whatever I taught, you have to revise all that and use the FunToot app. I am checking in FunToot app. No one is using the FunToot. Okay, so start using FunToot app. Now in today's video I am taking the remaining part from the second chapter. Okay, the remaining exercise, that means exercise 2.4 and 2.5 that was left from your chapter 2. Okay, now in today's video we will take that. So the first point is multiplication of decimal. Okay, multiplication of decimal. In the previous videos, when we have started, when we started that chapter, in that chapter we learned the multiplication, addition, subtraction. Yes students, in that we have started the decimals, what are the decimals, how to take the decimal, which are the like and unlike decimals. Yes students, all that things we have done. Now we are taking the multiplication of decimal. When in the question two decimals are there, how we multiply them, how to give the decimal to the product of that. Okay students, now what will happen when we multiply a decimal by 10? Okay, when we multiply a decimal by 10, what will happen? The point is shifted toward the right side of the decimal by one place. Okay, if we multiply a decimal, so the point is shifted to the right. Now see, for example, my question is 23.09 and if I am multiplying with 10, my point is shifted towards the right, but how many places? How many zeros will be there? That many places. That means my point is shifted to only one place. Okay, that means the answer for this is 230.9. Understand this? When we are multiplying a decimal by 10, so the point is shifted to the right by one place. Okay, this is first one. Now what will happen if I multiply a decimal by 100? What will happen? In that the decimal is shifted to the right. How many places? The number of zeros in 100. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So my point will be shifted towards right after 2 places. Okay. See, same example, 23.09. But now I am multiplying this with by 100. So my point is shifted towards the right after 2 places. That means this is first place, this is second place. So answer is 2309. After 9, no number is there. So 0.00. Understand this? If you don't want to give 0.00, just write only the number 2309. Understand? When we are multiplying by 10, when we are multiplying by 100, if we are multiplying by 1000, what will happen? See the third case. If the number is 290.12 and if I am multiplying by 1000, So my point will be shifted towards the right after how many places? 1, 2, 3. So this is first place, this is second place. Here are only the second place, but I can give this number, I can write as 290.120000. As many as 0 you can add, okay, after decimal. Now multiply this by 1000. So the next will be, how many zeros are there? 3. So my point will be shifted first, second, third. So my point will be on after 0. Understand this? So my answer is 290.120 and then give 0.0000. As many as 0 we can add. Understand this? Yes or no? Okay. If there is only two decimal, after decimal 2 digits are there, and here the number of zeros are more, you can add 0. Just now I have added like that only. Okay. Understand this? When we multiply decimal, multiplication of decimal with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. This is only for the multiples of 10, okay, not for 2, not for 3, not for 5, not for any other number, only for 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, okay, only for those numbers the point is shifted to the right side. Now what will happen if I multiply a decimal by another number, okay, except from 10, 100, 1000, if my number is 2, what will happen if I multiply this by 2? Or what will happen if we multiply this by 99? Okay, what will happen? We have to see that the next point. Okay, students, in the next I will take that only. Now multiplication of decimal by a whole number. Okay, multiplication of decimal by a whole number. That means what will happen if I multiply a decimal by a whole number. For example, 29.01. If I multiply this by 3, okay? This is decimal, this is whole number. Multiplication of decimal with whole number, okay? The first step is take the number without decimal, okay? Take the number without decimal. Multiply that. 3 ones are 3, 3 0, 0, 3 nines are 27. So 7 will be here, 2 will be carry over. 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Now first step is over. Take the number without decimal, multiply that. Now the next step is, what will be the next step? We have to give the point, okay? Decimal, don't forget about the decimal. Then the next step will be put the decimal point in the product, leaving as many decimal places from the right as there in the given decimal number, okay? In the given decimal number, from the right side, how many digits after decimal are there? Yes, 1, 2. 2 digits are there after decimal. Same we will do in our answer. Left the digits from the right side, as many digits as our original question has, okay? So 1, 2, 1, 2. So give point here, okay? That means answer for this will be 87.03. Understand this? If here one more number is there, that means 0, here will be 0 and here will be 0. Then after decimal. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. So from the right side of our answer, leave that many digits. 1, 2, 3 and give the point there. Understand this? Okay? If your number is bigger, that time the same you have to do. Okay? Understand how to take the multiplication of decimal by a whole number? This is the second type. Now what will happen if both numbers are decimal? How we will give the points? Yes. Now see the next. Next is multiplication of decimal by decimal. If both are decimal, what will happen? Okay. First step will be the same. We are taking the number without decimal. Okay. Like whole numbers just now we have done that. Similar to that. Then the second step will be we have to give the points. How? I will take the example first. Okay. Example 1.2 is a decimal. Multiply this one 3.2. Now see, both are decimal. First step will be take the number without decimal. Okay. This will be 12. This will be 32. Now take the multiplication as similar to whole number. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now give 0 here because we are taking the 10th place. So 0 here. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Now take the addition. 4 6 plus 2 8 3 as it is. Now we have to give the point. Okay. How we are giving the point? When we are multiplying decimal with decimal, that time first see how many digits are there after decimal. Here is 1, here is 1. Okay. In both 1 digits are there after decimal. Take the addition of that. Total will be 2. Yes. Total will be 2. Now in our answer, from the right side, leave that many digits and then give points. So how many digits? 1, 2. So point will be here 3.84. Understand this? First step will be the same. Multiply without decimal. Then after decimal, how many digits in both? Okay, here is 1, here is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So after, that means leave 2 decimals from the right side and give the point. Okay, what will happen if the number is, suppose I am taking another example. Okay, in the decimal with decimal. Second example is 2.4 multiplied with 1.22. Okay. Now I am multiplying 2.4 by 1.22. So first take the decimal without decimal. Okay. I will write this number as first because here are 3 digits, here are 2 digits. So this multiplication will be easy. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. See, multiplication is commutative. If you take A multiplied by B or B multiplied by A, answer will be same. Now give 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now take the addition. Here is 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Carry over 1. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. And here is 2. Now see how many digits are there after decimal. Here 1, but here 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. 2 plus 1, 3 is there. So leave 3 digits from right side. 1, 2, 3. And give the point here. That means 2.928 is our answer. answer for these two decimals. Understand how to give the decimal point? Yes, students? Okay. Is it easy? Yes, it is easy. Now the next will be our exercise. I will take the few examples, okay? I am not taking all the examples, and I am giving you the notes through Prism so that you can complete your notebook, okay? So the first question in exercise 2.4. Question number 1. Find the product. Product of the following. In that, first is 225.36 multiplied by 10. B is 4.05 multiplied by 10. C is C, D, all are of multiplied by 10. 0.031 multiplied by 10. In the starting itself, I told when a decimal is multiplied by 10, just see how many zeros are there, then shift the point to the right side. So answer for first is shift our point to the right. So 253.6. This is the answer. Okay, only one line answer. Answer for B, shift the point to the right. 40.5. Now for third, shift the point here. That means for third, answer is 0.31. Okay? Understand? First type of question, product. In that the questions are for 100 also, for 1000 also, for 10,000 also. You can do that because it is very easy. Okay, students? Now I will take the question number 2. Question number 2 is multiply. In that, first is 23.05 multiplied by 12. See, the decimal is multiplied by a whole number. Okay? Answer. First step is take the number without decimal. Then multiply. 2 5s are 10. Carry over 1. 2 0 0 plus 1 1. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Give 0. 1 5. The 5. 1 0 0. 1 3 3. 1 2. Now take the addition. Okay. Now how we are giving the points? How many digits are after decimal? 1 2. From right side, 1 2. So point will be here. That means 276.60. This is the answer. Understand how to take the multiplication? It is very easy. You can do that. Okay, students? I have taken only the first example. All remaining for you. Okay? You can do that. Otherwise, I will give the notes. From notes, you can complete that. But try at home. Okay? And watch this video till end. Question number 3, multiply. In that, the first is 1.5 multiplied by 6.2 multiply with 3. Now what will happen if there are 3 numbers? Okay? similar to real numbers, similar to integers, take the multiplication. First, take the multiplication of these two. Whatever the answer will be there, multiply with 3. First, I will take. You have to do the multiplication on the right side of half page. Okay. I have done here because I am not having the space. You can do that at right side without decimal. 2 5s are 10. 1 will be carry over. 2 1s are 2 plus 1. 3 gives 0. 6 5s are 30. 3 will be carry over. 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9. Take the addition. Now, how many digits after decimal? 1 2. So add 1 plus 1 2. 1 2. So answer for this is 9.30. Answer for only these two. Now take the multiplication with 3. Okay. Now I am doing the multiplication here only. Multiply with 3. 3 0 0. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Okay. Now after decimal 1 2. So 1 2 from left side. Answer for this is 27.90. Understand how to take the multiplication when the numbers are 3 or when the numbers are 4. If the numbers are 4, that time take the multiplication of first two, write the answer, next similar, then multiply this, whatever the answer, multiply that with 4th number. Okay. Understand how to take the multiplication? Yes, students. Now the word problem, question number 4. Question number 4 is, a fan rotates at a speed of 123.5, okay, per minute. If the speed of the regulator is adjusted to increase the speed of the fan 3.5 times, find the number of rotations per minute of the fan. This is the question number 4 from your exercise. A fan rotates at a speed of 123.5 rotations per minute. For the next question, I will give you hint. You can do that. Okay. If the speed of the regulator is adjusted to increase the speed of the fan, rotations per minute of the fan. What we have to do in this question? The question is for a fan rotate at a speed of 123.5 rotations per minute. Okay, in 1 minute it rotates 123.5. If the speed of the regulator is adjusted to increase the speed of the fan 3.5 times, find the number of rotations. In 1 minute it rotates this much. If the speed is increased 3.5 times, what will be the rotations? Yes, students. We have to just multiply this number by 3.5. That must be So the number of rotations will be is 123.5 multiplied by 3.5. Okay. Now this is just simple multiplication of decimal with decimal. 1, 2, 3, 5. First step is I am writing this here. You have to write the right side. Okay. Multiply this with 3, 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 will be carry over. 5 is 15 plus 2 17. Now the 1 will be carry over. 5 to the 10 plus 1 11. 1 is carry over. 5 1 the 5 plus 1 6. So this is over 0. 3 5s are 15. 1 will be carry over. 3 is a 9 plus 1 10. 1 is carry over. 3 is a 6 plus 1 7. 3 1s are 3. Now take the addition. 5 7 plus 5. Sorry, 7 plus 5, 12. 1 will be carry over, 1 plus 1, 2. 13. Here is 4. Now, how many decimals should we have to give? You will tell me how many decimals. After, see the first one. First one will be, yes. Here after decimal, how many digits are there? 1. Here how many digits? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So from right side, leave that many digits. 1, 2. So point will be here. That means 432.25 rotations will be there. Okay? Rotations per minute. Understand this? Easy it is? Yes. Try to solve the word problems. Okay? Simple questions you can do, but while the question is for word problem, you have to try how to write and how to solve. Okay, students? The next is, for the next, I will give just hint. You can solve. Next question is a box of wood. Question number 5. A box of wood weight 13.3 kg. What is the total weight? What is the total weight of 15 such boxes? A box of wood, that means one box having a weight 13.3 kg. We have to find the total weight of 15 such boxes. So total weight of 15 boxes is nothing but multiply this number by 50. 13.3 multiplied by 50 and tell me the answer for that. It should be in kg. Okay? I want the answer from you. Similar, the next question. A motorbike goes I'm just giving you hints so that you can try. Question number 6. A motorbike goes by, these are bikes, bike goes 67.33 kilometer covers a distance, that means it goes 67.33 in 1 meter. Okay, bike goes 67.33 kilometer. Therefore, in 3.25 liter bike goes 67.33 multiplied by 3.25. I want the answer from you. What will be the multiplication? It is in kilometer. Okay, I want the answer from you. These two for your homework. Now the next two is you can do. If you can do, write the answer in comment box. Okay, all the questions are similar. See, the next question is the Garbhanga Electrical Subdivision of Guwahati Electrical Circle charges rupees 4.28 per unit for 463 units of electricity consumed. If Mrs. Mosmi consume 49 units of electricity, what is the electricity charge for her consumption? Answer for that will be multiply 4.28 by 49. Hint, I am giving the hint. Okay, total consumption hint for question number 7. Total consumption 4.28 multiply this by 49. Okay, that much is the answer. Okay, the next Mohan bought 2.5 kg of rice at 36.30 per kg, 4 kg of apples at 50.50 per kg, and filled his car with 12.39 liter of petrol at rupees 79.03 per liter. What is the total amount of money spent by Mohan? Okay, in that you have to take the multiplication of which two numbers? Total money spent. Okay, question number 8. Hint. Total money spent is 2.5 multiplied with 36.30 plus 4 multiplied by 50.50 plus 12.39 multiplied by 79.03. Now first take the multiplication of this. Whatever your answer, that will come here. Then plus take the multiplication of this. That answer will come here. Plus the multiplication of these two, answer will come here. Then after take the addition of all these numbers, you will get the total money. Now fill these blanks. Okay, this is the answer for question number 8. Now only one exercise is left from this second chapter, fractions and decimals, that I will take in next video. Okay, so from the second chapter nothing is left, nothing will be left. Okay, I want this fill in the blanks and take a scan copy, and you have got your links, shareable links. Yes, in that you can test all this. Okay students, and use Funtut app.